Okay, I know there's a lot of different ways that people do contour and highlight, especially these days, but I'm going to show you how I do mine. So I use a contour stick and I kind of start at the top of my earlobe and then I come down, back up, and then I come down around my jaw. Do the same thing on the other side. Down around my jaw. I come up across my forehead. I put a little contour right under my lip to kind of give it, a little bit of dimension under there. And then I draw a thin line. I kind of have a harder time on this one side because my nose has been broken before, so I'm trying to correct that and then also make it straight. Sometimes not as successful as others. And I kind of go across the bridge like that. And then I use a brush that kind of is more dense. And then I kind of do a patting swirling mode to kind of blend that out. And I'll finish blending this out and then I'll show you how I do the highlighter. All right, for my highlight, I use a lighter concealer. I put that on my chin. And then I also come down and like in between where I have the contour on my jawline and my cheek. Like right in the center there. I put this, starting to run out of that. Do the same thing on the other side. Gonna have to get out my new concealer. Then I put some right on the end. And then up the center of my nose and right at the top. So it's kind of like right where the light hits on my forehead. I use the same brush. I use the contour. And then I do it the same way. On this bottom half, I buff it out. And then for my nose, I use a concealer brush so I can be more precise with it. But I do the same kind of thing. I kind of tap it in as I'm doing it. Just kind of blend it out. And then I'll set it with a translucent powder. And that's how I do my contour and highlight.